here with San Jose State students at the Silicon Valley Engineering Council Open House on 2011. All right, tell us your names and what is this project, this robot, all about?
I'm Daniel Teran.
I'm Luat.
I'm Udit.
I'm Killol Acharya. And so this project here is a line follower. What it does is it uses infrared LEDs and infrared sensors to detect a line on the ground. In this case, it's actually a piece of tape, electrical tape. And it's a project that we worked on 2 semesters ago. We're just 4 of the members of the club. We have about 10 to 15 members. And there are several different things we do. Our motto is build, learn, and share. So Daniel's going to tell you a little bit about what we do, build, and then Luat's going to tell us how we share what we learn.
So open source, you're open source advocate.
Absolutely, yes.
Okay.
Well, to start off, we're a San Jose State club, obviously, and we have members from electrical engineering, computer engineering, mechanical engineering. It's open to all majors. So we get together, we come up with some ideas for some projects to do, and we use our resources. We talk to professors, go online, and just use whatever information we can to build little robots.
Okay, so whatever we learn, we apply it, and we have to teach it to the newcomers, freshmen, sophomores that doesn't familiar with the electrical parts or maybe mechanical parts aspect of it. So we then also take it a little further by going to a high school or middle school, and we have to teach them, yeah, this is what you can do, and yeah, have them interested in engineering.
Okay. And then we got our 4th person. What's your role in this group?
I am a freshman, so I just joined the team. Really, I'm just here to learn as much as I can about robotics because I am an aspiring mechanical engineer. So what we do is we do workshops with our members. We have people like Luat or Daniel show us some stuff, or we'll go attend lectures where actual engineers come and show us what they do, and we learn as much as we can, and then we apply it to how we work in the actual club.
Okay, so we end up looking at this robot. I'm just going to pan it down here a little bit. So we see lots of robots, toy robots, and all this stuff that you can buy at a toy store. But what makes this particular thing unique as compared to like a toy store type of item?
Go ahead.
Yeah, so a robot is pretty much be constructed from scratch. There's nothing off the shelf or anything. Even the programming, we have to bought our own resident, and then you know, we have heat sink, and then even infrared, we have using the emitter and receiver independently. We put side by side, and then we calibrate everything. So it's not something right off the shelf where you can plug in and just go with it.
Okay. So in terms, I think, when you know, obviously sit in the classes and do the homework and the problems, but then when you're actually building this stuff, it's kind of, then you get into this real world, you start to say, wait a minute, they never taught me this in class, or, oh, that's why they teach us this stuff.
Yeah, yeah.
So, okay. So how many all-nighters you pulled on this particular project?
Good one, good one. You know, the funny story, the first time we made a version of the line follower, it was bigger, it was clunkier, and we had 3 weeks to an event like this where we were going to demonstrate it, so we put that deadline on ourselves to make sure we would get the project done. And I think 90% of the project happened during the last week, and 70% happened during the night before the event. So that's kind of like an exponential amount of time spent before the event, the closer we got to the event. And for this particular one, we actually had it planned out pretty well, so we didn't spend an all-nighter. We were only up till about 5 in the morning, so that was pretty good.
Okay. All right, well, here with San Jose State with their robot project, something you cannot buy off the shelf. I have to actually put it together. All right, thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Robotics at San Jose State. Nice to meet you. Okay, that's where we're at right now.
Because I was around when there was like the old engineering building.
Yes.
But all of the departments in school used it because they had a couple of really big auditoriums.
Right.
So not only engineering.
So maybe like this, if it's really high.
Yeah, they actually just expanded on that. So now it's, you know, like a square.